I'm Dr. Indu Khosla, pediatric pulmonologist here at the SRCC Children's Hospital managed by Narayana Health in Mumbai. Today I'm going to talk about a very common topic, pneumonia. So what is pneumonia? Pneumonia is simply infection of the lung, and this can be caused by bacteria and viruses. So we must identify this at the earliest. And this term is used very, I would say, loosely by all, by the common man, and in fact, I would say even by the medical fraternity. So what is pneumonia? Why should we be worried about it? And should be prevented? We all know 12th November is celebrated as the World Pneumonia Day. This day was started to be celebrated to create awareness about this important disease. And why is it important? Because it's the leading cause for under 5 mortality. Now, if you know that in the world, at least around 7 lakh children die annually with pneumonia in the age group of under 5. Out of these 7 lakhs, 1.27 lakhs die from India. So it's such an important reason why we should know about it and how we should prevent it. So how should you know that your child has pneumonia? So if your child is having fever, is looking sick and not eating, an older child who complains of chest pain, very mild cough to start with, these are symptoms of pneumonia. So if you have such symptoms, you must take your child to the doctor at the earliest. There is no fooling around with pneumonia. Early treatment is extremely important. Now, if you have these symptoms and you go to a doctor, what will the doctor do? The doctor may examine your child, may require an X-ray, some blood tests, and you may need some antibiotics to treat it. But what is more important is that we need to prevent it. And how do we prevent it? There are a whole lot of things that we can do to prevent it. First and foremost, we must understand today that clean air is very important for preventing pneumonia. I know it's not in your hands, but it is important that you should be aware that pollution is one of the leading causes of precipitating a pneumonia. Good hygiene is important. Vaccinations are important. So there are a lot of vaccines for pneumonia, which your doctor will tell you and which you must take it as per schedule. Also, it is important that your child is well nourished. Malnutrition, overcrowding increases the risk of pneumonia. If there's somebody smoking at home, so we anyway have bad air. To top it all, if the child is exposed to passive smoking, this increases the risk for pneumonia. So these are simple things that you can do at your end to prevent pneumonia in your children. So if you do this, I'm very, very sure that you can control this dreaded disease. And if you go to the doctor on time, you will prevent it deteriorating, because the complications of pneumonia are very many. And that can be prevented by timely intervention and correct use of antibiotics when required. I would say that pneumonia nahi to bachpan sahi. And the world theme of the Pneumonia Day is now focused on prevention, good hygiene, and good hygiene so that you can prevent pneumonia and treat it at the earliest.